Joining me is Atishi. Atishi, if there's one contest, one seat which is seeing the most fierce battle, starting with derogatory comments to you almost asking for the cancellation of his candidature for Gautam Gambhir, there's been so much of bad blood between the two of you. Today on the day of voting, we're not going to have any political bites here. We're standing right outside the polling booth. Let's respect the model code of conduct. But keeping that in mind, what are you really hoping for when you have people to step out and vote? What are the issues? Because when we stepped out, we did see that statehood and full statehood did not really cut ice with voters. What exactly is your appeal? What are you hoping for?
See, I think that there's a lot of issues that people of Delhi face. I think that one of the biggest issues in East Delhi is the issue of women's security, cutting across classes, be it women living in poorer localities like Trilokpuri, Kalyanpuri, who struggle with illegal alcohol and drugs being sold on the streets, to women who live in Mayur Vihar, Vivek Vihar, who feel that they cannot step out of their homes after night. Women's security is a major issue that women across Delhi, but especially in East Delhi, face. And I think that is going to be one issue on which women come out and vote.
And to your opponent at this point, there are two men, your fourth first-timers. Yeah. He is the richest candidate, you are the one who's been crowd-funded. So we're seeing quite a contrast in this seat, which is pretty much a microcosm of Delhi.
I think that the people of Delhi have shown, even in the 2015 elections, that there were so many candidates that people said could not be defeated. There were 3-time MLAs, 4-time MLAs, 5-time MLAs. But it was Aadmi Party with its fresh faces, Aadmi Party with candidates who had virtually no assets, who not just defeated the BJP and the Congress, but really got Congress down to 0 seats and BJP down to only 3.
Another trend that we've seen on the ground so far in the run-up to these elections has been the silent voter. And a lot of people are saying that vote just might go back to the Congress party. Delhi is known for having a very decisive mandate, be it 2014, 2015. This time around, when you see Congress also give a fierce battle, or at least come together in one flock at least, do you see that as a contest at all?
Absolutely not. I think you can just go across classes, communities, habitations, and maybe one person out of 20 says कि जी मैं कांग्रेस को वोट करूँगा. And it's very clear that the fight is a direct battle between the Aadmi Party and the BJP. And the silent voter, interestingly, has always been the voter for Aadmi Party, who has both in 2013 and in 2014, 2015 come out and voted decisively for a party that works for their interests.